In this quick and easy video guide, we're going to talk about Android. So we're going to talk about some settings, and in particular about the well, let me show you here. I'm gonna expand this real big for you, and then let's click on this little engine icon right there at the bottom. There you go. So this is the settings, and we're going to talk about network and internet, and also about connecting devices. So first of all, what we find in network and internet here, this is connected device, network and internet. Okay, now here we can basically activate and deactivate Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi needs network, which could be installed on your house or in your office, or also in public spaces. Now be careful in public spaces because they are less secure. Now the other thing that you can use is mobile network. Now this is associated with your SIM. So by inserting your SIM, you will be able to do phone calls, but also accessing internet if you paid. Usually you have some limited usage of data, so be careful on this. You can find how many gigabyte you have consumed on your on your plan. So perhaps you have 20 gigabyte on your plan to consume, and you are almost there. You can check that here. You can also use roaming, and this is when you are in a foreign country and you want to connect to the web and to internet using, again, your SIM connection. And also you can choose a preferred network like 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, and so on. Depends your smartphone which one supports. Okay, you can also activate and deactivate all these options here, which could be interesting, but we are not going to explain too advanced things. This is gonna be a standard for beginners, for curious who wants to know what's inside the settings of the smartphone. But if you have questions and suggestions, please write it in the comments. Okay, let's move on here to the next topic. Now, sometimes I go here into call, and I don't want to see the decline message, the quick decline message, so I turn this off. It's pretty annoying because I don't want to send a message, and I don't have free message in my plan, so each time I send a message I'm going to pay, so I deactivated this option here. And also the others I have deactivated, especially this one here, to receive a notification during calls. I don't like this. I don't like to receive notification when I'm talking with someone. It's like distracting. And again, you have also other stuff here. You have advanced things that you can check, and this also depends on what you have in your plan, in your phone SIM plan. And let's move on. Hotspot. Now this is also pretty interesting. Now with this one you can make your smartphone become a Wi-Fi. So if you turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, your smartphone will disconnect from Wi-Fi, will connect to the mobile network, and it's gonna become like a router, so people and devices can connect to you and use your internet connection. But be careful here because you're gonna consume really easy and real fast gigabytes, so be careful about that. And also you have, again, other stuff here like QR code, network access, and you can allow only some devices and not every device. And also you can check here tethering with Bluetooth and so on. Okay, let's go back. Airplane mode. Now this is pretty useful when you are, of course, on an airplane, but also when you don't want to receive notification, you want to, let's say, relax, you want to sleep, you can switch this on. This will let you keep your smartphone on, but will not get any notification from internet, you will also not get any call from other smartphones, so it's kind of relaxed mode, if you may. And also you can check here the data saver. You can check, you can turn this on and off. You can check all the apps that consume data, so gigabyte, and you can use that perhaps when you use Hotspot to limit the consume of your gigabytes. And VPN also is pretty interesting, but right now I'm not using any VPN. Now this is a virtual private network. It's a more complex topic. Now, before we leave this video, I want to show you our YouTube channel, and here you can find all these topics. So if you go to our YouTube channel, which is called JBDTube, you can search for, let's say you want to know more about the VPN. You can use the search bar right here, and by typing VPN guide, for example, you can search for a video guide about VPN, and there it is. So be careful because many are in Italian. This one here, it's in English. You can also find English video guides. If you go in the playlist page, you find the English video courses on the top, the courses about graphic design, video editing, 3D modeling, and at the bottom you will find English video guides about many topics, including the one that you are seeing right now, which is Android OS video guide. So it's about Android operative system. All right, now what else we can see here that we may be interested in? Well, the next one is for Bluetooth. Bluetooth is just another way to connect, but in this case we connect with devices. Now you can see here I'm trying to connect with a smart band that I have. So each time I want to connect to a new device, I can say, okay, pair new device, and it's gonna look for devices that are around me that can be connected, and there's my smart band down there. So I'm gonna click on that, and now you need to accept the connection also in that other device. So make sure that you follow the instruction to make the connection between two devices. Now you can see here each time you're gonna connect to a particular device, this is going to be in the list here of the previously connected devices. So you need to do the connection once. Once it's done, then you just need to turn on the Bluetooth on both devices, and that connection will go automatically. So it's pretty easy, but you need to follow the instruction. And again, you can turn this on and off whenever you want. Now, one really important thing about Wi-Fi network, mobile network, Bluetooth, and all this stuff, this could be dangerous if you put your smartphone next to your ear, really close to your ear, and then let's say you speak for a long time on your smartphone in a phone call, but in the same time you keep all these networks and Wi-Fi or Bluetooth activated. Now turn them off when you don't need them, because they could be dangerous. Scientists are kind of researching this stuff, but in the meanwhile, it's better to keep them off while you are speaking with someone and you are keeping the smartphone real close to your ear and your brain. Now this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please join us to support us so that we can create more video guides for you. And by the way, leave your comments. If you don't understand something, please write your questions, write your suggestions if you want, because this is kind of a community, so it's good that we help each other to understand better things about technology. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.